All right, so here's a look at this egg cooker by Tesslux. You can see it's pretty compact and you're able to do up to 6 different eggs at a time. It's really simple to use. You're basically just gonna have this tray right here, which is gonna hold your eggs. And then the main component right here, this is where you're gonna be pouring the actual water into. So it's gonna come with this measuring cup right here, and the instructions say to fill it up with about 100 milliliters of water. So we'll go ahead and just pour that right into there. Then we're gonna take our tray, place it right on top, and now we're gonna place our eggs inside of here. Now you want to make sure that you've got eggs that are coming fresh out of the refrigerator. You don't want them to be room temperature, otherwise it's definitely going to overcook them. So just make sure that you've got them inside of some kind of container as well. You want the egg yolk to be centered, so you don't want these to be sitting on the counter for a while. You want to make sure that they're actually sitting in a carton tray just like this. So we're going to place these down here. This is going to work best for medium-sized eggs. Again, another thing to keep in mind when utilizing this egg cooker. So once we've got our eggs inside of there, there's going to be different options up here on the front. So you've got your left side right here, which is going to be 1 to 3 eggs. Your right side is going to be 4 to 6 eggs. And it's going to have different times depending on how you want them cooked. So if you want it to be poached, you can see here that the time for poach is 7 minutes. If you want it to be a soft egg, then it's going to be 8 minutes, and so on. So we got to make sure that this is sitting on the counter to turn on. So we've got it on the counter. I'm going to go ahead and press this here, and you can see that it's on 13 minutes. So since we have 4 eggs in here, we're going to look at the 4 to 6, and this is going to give us a hard-boiled egg. We'll go ahead and let that go and cook, and then our eggs will be pretty much finished. So again, really easy to use, super simple setup. All you really need is to add water in here, add your eggs in, and then select the time in which you want the eggs to cook, depending on what type of egg it is you want. Another thing I wanted to mention here is down here at the bottom, it's gonna have these rubberized legs, which I really like, especially when you have this on a countertop like this. When you go ahead and press this button here, it's not gonna slide around like some of the other ones, therefore knocking the eggs over. So overall, this is a really good egg cooker. Very simple, easy to use. Anyone can use it, and it's also simple to clean out. So if you're looking for a good egg cooker, something that can make all different types of eggs, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.